Modular sockets are designed with real-world applications in mind, including modular parts such as LED end caps, shutter, cable, socket infrastructure, terminals, electronic locks, etc. This modular Type 2 socket offers flexible combinations, adapting seamlessly to various charging scenarios to meet diverse customer needs. Features a fingerproof shield, IPXXB, designed to ensure charging safety. Smart charging monitoring, LED indicators with multiple light signals provide a clear view of the charging process. Built-in temperature sensor deliver instant notifications to guarantee safe operation. With an IP67 rated waterproof and dustproof build, it's ready for any outdoor environment. Equipped with a high-sensitivity PTC temperature sensor for precise real-time monitoring, preventing overheating during charging. Degson's Type 2 socket, offering more choices and better solutions for our customers.